Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'll be showing you how you can curl braiding hair using straws. And so if you'd like to see that, then continue watching this video. Also guys, I'd like to say welcome and a big thank you to all my new subscribers. To my old subscribers who are still here and supporting me, thank you as well. And so guys, I'm going to just quickly show you the hair that I'm talking about, even though you'll be seeing more of it in a bit, but yeah. So guys, this is the hair that I'll be using to do the curls. And as this video goes along, you won't be seeing me when I am showing you how to curl the braiding hair, because I'll be doing a voiceover. But feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section guys, and I'll respond to you. So let's go over to that tutorial. So this is the hair that I'll be using guys. It's pre-layered, pre-stretched, antibacterial and itch free. It's 50 inches and it's a 1B color. It's QZ braid or Oz braid as you see there. So these are the straws that I'll be using. I got them at either Walmart or a Dollar Tree store. I don't remember which one it was because I bought it a few months ago. So here I'm just showing you how I take the hair from the pack and prepare it for the curls. So along with the straw guys, you're going to need hairpins or elastics. You're also going to need a container that you'll put the hair in. When you're finished wrapping them, you'll put the hair in that container and you'll need to boil some water. Ensure that the water is really hot to use. So those are some other things that you'll need to have to get this done. So here guys, I'm showing you the amount of hair that I'll be using for each curl. So this is the straw guys. And now I'm going to show you how I wrap the hair on it. So first I bend the straw. You can start out by bending the straw guys, or you can leave that for later, but I usually start out by bending the straw to form a kind of hook at the end so that the hair doesn't easily slip off. Then I put the hair around the straw, and after I've done that, I twist the straw around a few times to form that loop with the hair. Once the loop is formed, then I will start wrapping down the straw using a figure 8 motion with my hand as I go along. So just pay attention to how I'm doing it guys. I'll also be showing you the same process again so you can look at it and get a better feel of what you should do if you do try this. Feel free to also ask any questions you may have in the comment section and I'll respond to you as well. Now once I reach the end of the straw where I'm finished wrapping the hair, then again I loop under that end of the straw, or I bend that end of the straw, and then I'm going to secure it with bobby pins. So look at how I do that. No, I started out with the intention to use just bobby pins to hold the hair down, guys, but then I realized that the bobby pin was not working out the way that I expected it to, because it was one end kept pulling off. So I decided to just use elastics. Guys, because I figured like this should work way better than the bobby pins. So here is the elastic, and what I did is to just basically wrap it around each end of the straw as you saw me doing here, and that really secured the hair. I did not have any issues with it. So I would suggest, if you're trying this, just scrap the idea of using bobby pins and just go ahead and use your elastics, because that will work way better when you're creating these curls. So here, guys, I'm repeating the steps that I took to wrap the hair. So I start off by putting the hair around the straw, making a loop by twisting the straw. Then after I've done that, then I start wrapping the hair down the straw using a figure 8 motion with my hand. So once I've started to wrap, I hold on one end of the straw like you saw me do just now, and then I continue wrapping until I reach the end. Once I'm at the end now, guys, I will then use rubber bands to secure the hair onto the straw, as you will see in a while. So those are the steps. So this is a little cup that I decided to use for this video. So I'll be placing the straws with the hair on them in it, and then pouring hot water on it, leaving it there for a while, and then after that I will take the hair out, let it cool, and unravel it. So you won't see me pouring hot water in the cup, but you will see the process where I am unraveling the hair after all of that's done. So to unravel the curls from the straw, I start off by removing the elastics from both ends of the straw, and then after that I start unraveling from the end of the straw where I would have finished wrapping on the hair. So just pay close attention to how I am doing that, guys. Okay guys, that's it. I think it turned out beautifully, these curls. Feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section and I'll respond to you. So guys, until my next video, I'll talk to you then. Goodbye.